Okay, so I'm gonna give you a tour of our villa that we actually just moved into today. We're here in Ahmed. It is roughly costing us $27.50 USD per night. Let's come with me and check out our villa. Um, and then there are a lot of other amenities that's a part of this property. But check out the villa. I'm blown away. I'm blown away. Ahmed, Bali. It's beautiful. Okay, so hey, come with us. 27.5, $27.50 per night here in Ahmed. Come check it out. Thoughts?
I'm not leaving this
Okay.
place. Let me go back
We
to
have
Cebu.
a day bed, welcome drinks,
Uh-huh.
hammock, right? Super clean.
Yeah.
Okay. A little area, another table. So the entrance. Let's go inside. Our Wi-Fi right here. This is our shared space. There are 2 villas. We're number 4. I believe the other villa is number 5. This is our shared space. If we want some privacy, these here, they will come down. It separates that side, which is there, our neighbor, from this side. So it's a chill place. The floor. Hopefully, wait, let's get into some light.
What?
Amazing. Absolutely amazing. We actually stayed at another villa last night, and I'm gonna do a video tour. We just checked out, but I'm gonna go back and ask the owner if we can do a video tour, if I can do a video tour of that villa. There's so many more amenities on this property. There's a restaurant on site. There are 2 pools. There's a yoga room slash space. There's a freestyle gym, like outdoor. There's a weight weight room, outdoor, indoor. Both gyms are outdoor. So I'm going to show more of the properties. There is an area for co-working. It's all included, a co-working space. The view is magical, like absolutely magical. But I really hope that you enjoy this tour of this villa. We are super excited. We're gonna probably spend another 2 or 3 days here. Amazing for $27.50 USD at the time of this recording. If you haven't already liked, hit the like button. If you haven't already subscribed, what are you waiting for? Come on, subscribe to my channel, Unfiltered Travels, and don't forget to hit the notification bell as well. Really important, hit me up in the comments. Let me know what you think, your thoughts on my content, especially this video tour. Should I continue doing more? Any suggestions? I'm open. So thanks for hanging out with me. Unfiltered Travels, Anthony. All I gotta say is, of course, as always, peace, one love, and safe travels. Till next time, I'm out.